In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticker icon in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Figma and navigate to the home page. From there, click on the Community section. This is where you'll be able to discover a wealth of user-generated content, which is really what makes Figma so special. Once you're in the Community section, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in sticker icon and hit enter. This will bring up a variety of results tailored to your search. You might be amazed at how many templates are available. After you see those search results, browse through the options. You'll find an array of sticker templates that you can choose from. Find one that catches your eye and select it. This is the fun part where you can let your creativity shine. Don't rush this process. Pick a template that you really feel resonates with your project. Now that you've selected a template, you will click on an option that says Open in FigJam. This will open the template in FigJam, which is Figma's collaborative whiteboard tool. FigJam is an excellent space for brainstorming and doodling, and it's perfect for working with these sticker templates. Once you're in FigJam, you'll be greeted with a canvas filled with all the stickers included in that template. Take a moment to explore the different designs available. You'll notice a variety of shapes, colors, and styles that can add a lively touch to your project. Now, let's say you've found a sticker or a few stickers that you'd like to use. To select a sticker, simply click on it. If you want to select multiple stickers, that's easy too. Hold down the Shift key while you click on each sticker you want to include. After you've made your selections, press Ctrl+C to copy them. At this point, don't forget, Figma allows you to be versatile. You can play around with combining different stickers or using them in various contexts. Just have fun with it. Next, you'll need to navigate back to your Figma file where you want these stickers to be pasted. Once you're in your design file, simply press Ctrl+V to paste the stickers in. Voila! Your stickers are now part of your project. You can move them around, resize them, or even edit them further if you'd like. Creating sticker icons really enhances your designs and makes them more personalized. It's a straightforward process that can add a lot of character to your work. If you feel inspired, take the time to explore other sticker templates or even create your own designs using the techniques you've learned. And there you have it. You've successfully created and imported a sticker icon in Figma. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll start experimenting with your designs right away. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a like. Happy designing!